Hello guys, my name is David Bobijinianto and I want to explain about the importance of English for a secretary in his work. Do you understand what are the duties of secretary? If not, please listen to this.
What is the secretary? The secretary is someone who helps the leader in starting and completing a job. A secretary is also an intermediary for people who want to deal with their leaders or vice versa. He is also a guide for good relation between the company and the outside community. And beside that, the secretary daily with requests from various level groups and various individuals who each have different background, different social status, different interests, different position. So the secretary is required to be able to understand the party associated with it. The ability to communicate and interact with leaders, outsiders, and business partners is a very important role for a secretary. He also must have broad insight to be able to compete in the business world because the scope or cooperation of company is not only the national level but also at the international level, especially large company. A secretary must have the ability to communicate verbally, properly, and correctly in both Indonesia and foreign language, at least being able to speak English, the ability to communicate both verbally and non-verbally with English can help leader in negotiating. This is because a person who serves as a secretary, especially a private secretary, symbolizes the reflection or extension of the mouth of his leader. Therefore, the secretary must be able to choose words and arrange sentences that are good and right in order to please all parties. This article will discuss the function of English for secretary. If the discussion is in the sphere of language, the things to note is communication skill, both oral and writing, the very important for secretary in foreign language, so that two-way communication can be created. Sometimes a secretary can be a translator for their leaders in helping work do things done. The secretary regarding foreign language, namely 1. Make a letter. To communicate with foreign investor, leader need the help of secretary in making correspondence, but the standard correspondence to the offer letter, as already mentioned, sometimes the secretary becomes the translator for leadership, especially in making letter and notulen meeting. Another task of the secretary, besides making a letter, is to be the minutes of the meeting. The leader certainly needs a note taker for meeting with job workers. Maybe you are used to doing meeting minutes in Indonesian. It making in difference of the minute of meeting with English conversation because they have a synchronous typing with English words. Vocabulary is rarely used every day. If by using the Indonesian language is summarizing, the minute may be Asian. Unlike English, you must use the correct vocabulary so that the intent of the note taker is not different from meaning. For this reason, a secretary must be able to communicate well and in addition to master the Indonesian language well and must master foreign language skills such as English, so that they can communicate with quest at the executive level and be able to assist the leadership in negotiating. He is also required to choose words and arrange sentences in a good and clear manner, pleasing all parties who communicate with him. In other words, by understanding English, the secretary will be easy to establish relation from any party. This will benefit the company because in fact a secretary who reflects the leadership and becomes a bridge between the leadership and many parties is able to establish communication with relation. Many of Mike think that mastering the skill related to the field of work is sufficient to lead you to career success. Language is one of the most important ability possessed by human because it is a tool to communicating, express opinion, as well as feeling. Therefore, in addition to mastering mother tongue, foreign language skill bring many advances in the career. Some of the following benefit you can get if you master a foreign language well.